Okay, hey guys, what's up? Okay, this is one of my slimes that I just made, just like right now, like 5 minutes ago, 10. And I just put these hard foam beads inside my sister gave me because they're dried out.
They're a little dried out, so they're not as crunchy, I guess.
But I have them. And wait, first we buckle because we're on the way to some shops
To Abercrombie Kids and Claire's.
and Justice.
Oh, we're going to Justice. I just need to get some new earrings.
I think Lily has some pink rose ones.
Yeah, I was looking for either pink rose
Yeah.
ones or cartoon ones.
Cartoon?
Not cartoon, but you know how Claire's has like
Okay.
things? So I don't know how to explain it.
By the way, this is the fluffy slime foam beads. And I put
Daddy.
like tied, so
Remember when we went to like that bath place this morning?
yeah, it's really fun.
They're
Make sure you check out that video.
Yeah, it's my summer vlog series, episode 2. So, like, I know most bath bombs are like this, but usually when I go to,
sticky?
like, bath bomb stores, like, not all of them are broken, but,
So if we make sure some,
I'm sorry. Yeah, some of them were not broken all the way, but, like, there's cracks in them. But that's pretty normal, but usually some of them are.
Can I eat some? No. I'm second. No, I'm not it. Is it paused?
Yeah, I never paused it.
Okay, I'm gonna use some because I didn't need it when I got it. I'm gonna got it when I need it.
Hey, Liv here from the Kids Bop
Foam
Kids.
beads.
Want to keep up with us while we're on our Kids Bop World Tour? Then follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see what we're up to. And then we hope to see you when we come to your town.
Yeah, Kids Bop's coming to San Antonio, guys. By the way.
Daddy.
Yeah.
I for some reason,
Have you ever seen a Hershey?
yeah.
No,
some
it's
reason-
a Kids Bop. It's a little, no, a concert.
For some reason, I wish that like I'm gonna pause it.
Okay. Well, we can't do it really long because we don't have that much subscribers. So if we had a lot of subscribers, we all have.
Well, and because we only have 14 minutes and 49 seconds.
Yes.
Well, no, maybe let's try to do a 15-minute video and let's see if it won't post or if it will.
we need to make sure it's not that good. Because what if it just posts and we just did all that hard work for nothing? But maybe if we get more subscribers, then maybe then we get to 15 minutes and we'll, right? I'm trying to finish on the slime. It was up here. I had my slime up. Okay, I'm guessing on my hands. I want to film it when they have it on my hands. See it on my hands? I think it's gonna be pretty. By the way, it's Emma. My sister's vlogging.
Sorry, that was really weird. I was like,
Oh, let's look at this watch. Press the home button. So, not sauce. The other one.
what?
I don't even know what to do it.
What's the home button? Oh, on the side. Sorry. Shouldn't you end the video?
No. Okay, how much is it going to this video? Then?
Guess 4 minutes. Like, you're not really doing anything.
Yes, I am. I'm playing with slime.
Yeah, but I feel like you should end it.
Why?
Because, like, usually slime videos aren't that. Like, the ones that are, like, they're playing with different slimes also.
No, but like this one. I have way other slimes. I have 14 or 15. I think so.
Oh, the one You should do like a slime video playing with all your slimes. Like
Yeah.
you play with some and then you pause it.
When I only had like 7 slimes, I did a video with all of those. Remember when we went to HEB?
Oh. This.
I love this song. Gonna take my horse to the old town road.
No, there's been like 3 times when this video has been the top in trending,
Oh, yeah?
which means it's like the most watched YouTube video.
I've seen like mostly half of this video. I think Mary's here.
It's 6 minutes.
Okay, you can end the video now. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Make sure to subscribe.
I'm gonna make a
Smash that
part
like
2. It's
button.
not really just with this slime, and it's gonna be with this slimes and some of all my other slimes, and we might make a new slime.
Bye.
By the way, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 glues, but yeah.
Okay, bye.
I would have had 6 if I would have not to get this one.